I installed Ordertracker from the Shopify App Store, and just like magic, my customers can now track their orders directly from my store and discover additional items through upsells. I boost my sales with just one click.
So I click the install button to add Ordertracker to my store. Then I click enable notifications. And here it is. My customers now receive automated shipment notifications. They feel reassured in real time. This is awesome. It saves me a ton of time and reduces customer complaints.
Okay, I turn on the dropshipping mode, and when my customers track their orders, Chinese carriers are automatically removed. I'm trying to keep a good reputation to avoid getting banned from Facebook ads.
Are you tired of receiving countless emails from customers, all asking, "Where is my order?" Imagine turning those inquiries into opportunities to make more money. Every day, Shopify sellers like you deal with customers wondering about their orders. But did you know you can turn this into a way to make more sales? Meet Ordertracker, the AI-powered tracking app that helps you boost your Shopify sales, reduce your support tickets, and improve your brand's reputation. Once installed on your Shopify store, Ordertracker creates a dedicated tracking page with upsells to maximize your revenue, sends automated shipment notifications to reassure your customers, eliminates Chinese carriers from tracking history for a better dropshipping experience, and shows all your orders and shipments in a centralized dashboard. Created by successful Shopify sellers and AI experts, Ordertracker isn't just another tracking app. Using GPT, Ordertracker transforms shipment updates into easy-to-understand language, reassuring your customers to make them buy more. With Ordertracker, say goodbye to banned Facebook ads due to customer complaints, hours wasted on repetitive support tickets, a bad reputation due to unreliable Chinese tracking, and gain visibility of all your orders and shipments in one place. Over 30,000 Shopify sellers have already upgraded their store with Ordertracker. Don't be the one who wished they had used it sooner. Ready to boost your Shopify sales? Install Ordertracker today for free. Give it a try now. This special offer won't last long.